Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to file GSTR-1. Let's understand GSTR-1. What is GSTR-1? GSTR-1 is a periodic GST return submitted by registered businesses in India, reporting all their outward supplies, sales, to other registered entities or customers. This return can be filed either monthly or quarterly, depending on the taxpayer's turnover, and includes comprehensive details of all taxable transactions conducted during the reporting period. Step for filing of GSTR-1. Step 1. Log in to GST portal. Go to www.gst.gov.in. Sign in. Step 2. Select GSTR-1. Services returns GSTR-1. Step 3. Enter invoice details. B2B, B2C, exports. Step 4. Validate and save. Click Validate, fix errors and save draft. Step 5. Submit and file. Click Submit, EVC, DSC and File now. You will receive an success message. Save for future reference. Pro tips. Use offline tool for bulk uploads. File nil returns if no sales. Reconcile with GSTR-2A, 2B. Avoid penalties. Late fee, 50 rupees per day. Thanks for watching the video.